I'm in a Microsoft Excel page, and you can see that if you are in Excel page and if you want to get a focus cell, then you can simply click the view here. From the view there you can see this is the focus cell, that is it will highlight the column and row of the active cell you are working in. And suppose if this is an empty cell, if you are not doing anything, then the first row and first column will comes as a focus cell. So if you click this focus cell, then you can see that here the focus cell, the first rows or first column, this entire row or column have been highlighted here in a different color. Or suppose I am going to plan to work here, then I simply click here, then you can see that the focus area will be changed here to this row or column. So this is the method focus cell, the cell that we are working. So hope you understood how to simply type Y here, then you can see that the focus cell, column or row. Okay, hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.